Now we're going to edit the saturation in Camera Raw. According to the book, she's a little bit, quote, sunburned. So we're going to open up, this is a smart object. So remember, it's still editable. And if I double click onto the thumbnail that says S, now we have the raw, Camera Raw now open. And we're going to make our adjustments to the following. We're going to use the following mode. We're going to use Color Mixer, which I already have open, but if you can't find it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4th arrow down, Color Mixer. And we're going to put the following, choose the following adjustments. We're going to reduce the red to -2. Then we're going to reduce the orange to a -10 and the magenta to a -3. If you want to see what it looks like without the adjustments, you hold on to the eye. So this is without and this is with. Without, with. It's very subtle. You can also go down here at the bottom right and cycle between before and after views. So let's see if we can do that. There's before and after views as well. Also, we have to toggle the default settings. Whoa, that looks really nice. I like that. Let me zoom out. I like that split before and after. Oh, so fancy. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm getting too excited. All right, so. And it looks like I reset. Oh, darn, I reset it. So let me go ahead. If you accidentally did this too, because you're just pushing buttons all over the place, let me go ahead and input the data. Once again, -2 for the red. The orange is a -10, and the magenta is a -3. If I hold on to the eye, you can see the before, after, before, after. All right. Stop pushing things. We're ready for the next video.